Former U.S. President Donald Trump is being sued by the Attorney General of New York. Letitia James alleges Trump and his family lied about their real estate company's value in order to secure loans and to get tax breaks.
This investigation revealed that Donald Trump engaged in years of illegal conduct to inflate his net worth, to deceive banks and the people of the great state of New York. Claiming you have money that you do not have does not amount to the art of the deal. It's the art of the steal.
CBC's Magda Gabriselassie is tracking this story from Washington. Magda, good turn of phrase there by the Attorney General. What are some of the details that we heard today about this lawsuit?
Well, we essentially heard her say that Trump and those around him, including his eldest children, were cheating the system and carrying out fraud in several ways over several years. So New York's Attorney General says her investigation revealed that Trump, 3 of his adult children, and 2 other executives with his company participated in these actions. She said they made false and misleading financial statements, and that this happened between the years of 2011 and 2021, and it was all for profits. We heard James say that Trump inflated his net worth by billions of dollars, that the value of his assets, including properties in New York, Washington, and his Mar-a-Lago estate in Florida, were also inflated by hundreds of millions of dollars. And we also heard that this was all done in an effort to get better bank loans and other financial benefits. And then on the other hand, she also said that they downplayed the value of assets to pay lower taxes. And she says that this decision to make these calls, to approve all of this, it actually went right to the top to Trump, but she also included his children, Donald Trump Jr., Ivanka, and Eric Trump, as well as 2 other company executives. Take a listen.
Over the course of our investigation, we found that Mr. Trump, his children, the Trump Organization, created and used more than 200 false and misleading asset valuations on his statement of financial condition over that 10-year period.
So this is a civil lawsuit, but James has forwarded this information to federal agencies and state agencies as well. She believes that there could be potential criminal charges here if any of those agencies decide to go ahead with that.
Now, Magda, has there been any reaction yet from Donald Trump?
Yeah, so Donald Trump says that this lawsuit is a witch hunt. We've heard him say that before, and he laid this out on his social media platform. He also called James a fraud. We do know his lawyers are saying that this lawsuit is meritless, so they're going to fight against this and defend this. Trump has previously denied doing anything wrong, and we do know that he and his children have actually faced James during depositions. Ivanka and Donald Trump Jr., they answered questions, but last month, Trump chose to plead the 5th, which is the right not to incriminate himself. So he was asked a bunch of questions, and he repeated his position, and we know that his son, Eric, did the same during his deposition a couple of years ago.
So much, Magda.
Thank you.
That's the CBC's Magda Gabriselassie in Washington.